That's smelly. Whew. So I decided to do a little bit of creek fishing today, over by Holmes Run, which is about, I don't know, 20 minutes away from my house. I've never been this far up the creek before. I usually go to the Ben Branman Park and fish it up there. So this is about maybe a mile and a half upstream. The water is incredibly murky, which I'm a little bit disappointed by, but there has been heavy rain over the last 2 days, so that's probably why. Don't see anything. I'm just going to continue going down here. This is very shallow. It's very shallow. You never know, there could be something big lurking under that little bridge. So, a couple of things. Okay, I'm going to be looking for shade lines, deep water, and moving water. Those are the three main things I'm going to be looking for. And as you can see there, I've just seen something there. So, this calls for something small, because I really have no idea what's in here. So, I'm going to go to the medium fast taper rod first, and I'm going to throw out this little 1/4 ounce micro spinner. I'm just going to try and throw it underneath that little bridge. They just get a little bit awkward when people walk past. Oh, there we go, look, see, something right there. Something right here underneath this. I can get a little bit closer. You know, in fact, actually, what might be a good idea is actually going in the creek. This is better than right down on the bottom. There's something there. Probably a little bass. I'm gonna get this fish, I swear to God. Swear to God, I'm gonna get this fish. Alright, he's not biting. Okay, I'm just gonna keep making my way down the creek. Oh, there we go. Huh. Huh. Don't spine me. Oh, there we go. I caught a little sunfish, I think. I'm gonna say green sunfish. That's pretty cool, right? That's my first panfish in North America. Very first. It's very shallow over there, so I'm kind of just running it through a pool. It's like a rocky outcrop, and then right in front of it is just a nice drop off, so I'm just kind of running it. There's so many fish chasing this, but I might have got the only sunfish that was in there. See, this is better. See, this is getting a little bit deeper now. Perfect. And this is actually fairly deep now, so I would expect there to be some things hanging out here. What I like about this bait as well is that the fact that when the water is decently clear and shallow, it's very easy to spot. Very easy. There's something over there. I've just seen activity there twice now. Again, it's where it's deep. Another little guy. That's another little sunfish, I think. That's number 2 for the day. Snag number 2. Yeah, I'm just making my way down the creek. Find these nice little pools behind me, you can kind of see. Really deep on that side, probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet. So I'm just kind of trying to focus on them. So I'm going to maybe post up here actually and see what I can land. This isn't the greatest idea I've ever had. I just want to get over there. So, it's quite deep. This is pretty deep actually. Yeah. I can kind of see the bank now. Alright, we're good. It was just high enough for my testicles to hit the water. I'm going to take you across. What up? Oh shit. Fuck. Like an idiot. Even open the bail. Wow, this is so heavy. It's just so funny going from a really heavy, a really light bait, a 1/4 ounce bait, and then switching over to a 3/8 ounce with a trailer. It's just, it feels so heavy. Actually does look quite good. Looks like a little crawfish. I want to get really close to that bank though. This is it's gonna go way too far. I don't want to go over there. I don't want to go over there again. This fucking every time. Every fucking time. I end up having to go over there now. Fuck. This water is actually really kind of dark. Where's my other rod? Oh, I was like, where the hell is my other rod? Let's just continue going down. Is this stream? Now I would be shocked if there isn't a single fish in this little pool over here. I would be absolutely shocked. Right up against this rock. I think something just took a stab at it, but it missed. That's a fish. I knew something took a stab at that. It's a very small little crappie, I think. Oh, that was a pretty big sunfish. Huh. That's number 3, sort of. I mean, not sure if that counts, but again, guys, just not, following a very simple tactics. Just find the deep water, preferably that's covered in shade, and then just cast out into it, and you should get lucky. First rod to bite. Oh, no, there's another one. Oh, cool. It might even be the same one. Okay, don't spine me. You got that good. Cool. Okay, this. I've got a funny feeling there's going to be some absolute fucking giants in here. So I'm actually going to switch out to the chatterbait, which is, of the 2 rods, is the bass bait, really. I tell you, if there's going to be smallmouth bass, they're going to be in here. don't know if you can read that. I can barely read it. Obviously, fuck. That could be, I think that's white. And then, yeah, fuck white people. And then somebody afterwards came along and scrubbed it out. Yeah, wouldn't want to be down here at night on my own as a resident white guy. I think one of the things I really do like about creek fishing, guys, is just being completely undisturbed. Just having nobody around. So pleasant. Yep, someone's chasing it. They're probably some fish, you know, but there's a few of them. Huh, look at that. Another one. Another little sunfish. Took a swipe at it. Cool little guy. Well, I found them. Knew they'd be around here. But no, this day has been, it's alright. I think I've caught, what, 4 of them right now? So not the, not the most productive day. But better than being skunked, right? What's funny about that last one is I actually was snagged up on a rock and I was wading out to pull the snag free. And I guess he just hit it. I actually know what that is. That could be, I bet you there's some small largemouth in here. Very small though. I wouldn't have thought bigger than a pound in this little creek. It's too shallow. A lot of them are just very close to where I am right now, but it's gone through them so many times and they've taken nibbles at it. They're getting a little bit bored. I'm gonna just maybe walk a little bit further on and then maybe start making my way back. Now this is definitely a pan fishing creek though. I don't think you're really gonna catch many bass here. If I go now, it's gonna take me like an hour to get back to the car, so I'm actually probably gonna do that. It's gonna take me so long to get back. And also, I'm technically not even allowed to park where I parked. So that's been on the back of my mind for like the last 4 hours. Is my car gonna be towed when I get back? If it is, we'll make an interesting video out of it though, won't we? Yeah. Where? Just I don't know. Just on the other side of this bridge. Where? It's on the other side of this bridge. Is it deeper? It gets to about, I'd say like 4.5 feet, maybe. So it's a little bit deeper than this? Maybe a little bit, yeah. Just sunfish, really. Just sunfish. Yeah. Yeah, that's there. Yeah. There's nothing. I don't think there's anything else down there. Now, have you ever been up that way before? Yeah, I made my way down. Yeah. Is there anything up there? Just sunfish? Sunfish, yeah, pretty much. Is it deep up there, or? Again, it's the deepest I found was like 4 feet, and it was down there. Oh, and it was down there. Everything's sub 4 feet. Have you seen the pond that's up there? No. If you follow this trail straight up quite a ways, probably like half a mile or so, to the right over in this area, it's like a pond. Oh, really? And I think I'm gonna go check that out because I don't know. I mean, it's murky. It's got a lot of stuff in there. Right. But I'm thinking maybe it might be something in there. Some bass or something. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. So I'm after there fishing a little bit. We're gonna take that trail up there. Oh, cool. Check that pond. All right. Cool. Hey, have a good day. Yeah, you too, man.